Good evening, dear friends, and good evening, our respected teachers. It's an honor, a privilege to be here in this August gathering today. It's great to be back here along with our teachers and our fellow students, our fellow batchmates today. Tonight, we are not only going to felicitate our respected teachers, we'll also have some entertainment after this is over. So, I would like to take an excerpt from a poem by Pat Mora. It goes like this. I remember the first day how I looked down, hoping you wouldn't see me. And when I glanced up, I saw your smile, shining like a soft light from deep inside you. This I have taken because the first day I remember when I was in the school, I was new in the environment. I never knew what's going to be up next. Who's going to summon me? Would I be, admonished for something that I have done? Maybe I have done something wrong. Gradually that faith, that support, because of all our teachers, crept up inside me, inside all of us. Today it feels so, we all feel so proud to be here. That हमारी जो नींव है, हमारी जो जड़ है, it's because of our teachers. It's so strong. Thank you so much, our teachers, for supporting us all these years. I would like to request Ravindra sir to come up on stage. Ravindra sir, please, to stage as well, kindly. And I would also like to call Gokul, Paramita and Parthode, Paramita Mukherjee and Parthode to come up on stage, please. Gokul Soni. We would request sir to say a few words. Sir.
I thank all my ex-students.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to request Shamali ma'am to please come onto the stage. And I would like to call upon Pawan, Pradeep Bora and Prasanta Chakraborty to come on the stage as well. Rajiv Das, can you please come on stage as well? Rajiv Das, can you please hurry? Ma'am, will you please say a few words?
Really, I am privileged to be here with the batch. All of my ex-students are here. That I can say is, we are the students of South Point School, ever so bright and ever cheerful.
Thank you so much, sir. Ma'am, that's so encouraging. I would next like to call upon Shravani ma'am to please come up on stage. And I would like to request Raju Pali, Ramashankar and Rita Tibrewal also to come up on stage. Ma'am, would request you to say a few words, please.
Thank you for having me here in this meet. It's so good to see you, your faces after decades. On very rare occasions are we teachers remembered, and it fills my heart that you all have won our hearts. I feel so proud to see all these young faces in established positions today. May you all shine brighter and stay healthy. Thank you for this wonderful evening.
Thank you so much, ma'am. इसके बाद हम बुलाना चाहेंगे एक ऐसे टीचर को, एक ऐसे सब्जेक्ट के जिससे हम काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट बहुत डरते थे। शुभ्रांशु सर। And I would also request Ruma Saha, Shahidur Rahman and Shankar Khaglari to come up on stage. And Shivli Ranide, please. Shivli Ranide, Shahidur Rahman is there. Shivli, please. कुछ बोले बिना तो सर को छोड़ेंगे नहीं। सर प्लीज से फ्यू वर्ड्स प्लीज।
Unbelievable, if I say in one word. I never thought that such an opportunity will come in my life once again. If I go on saying, I can say long, but I don't want. You have taken me 35 years back. Believe me, dear students, you people have changed. This Darwin's theory. You have changed. Your size, shape, everything changed. But look at us. Our graph went up, now the graph is going down. But really, thank you so much. I was sitting and I was just recollecting my association with this batch. I have joined South Point School in the year 1985, right after Durga Puja, and I worked till 1988 December. By the time that test exam was over, I have checked your test copies and I have gone to other schools. But I am really honored today and I thank God that I could see my, what should I say, my elder sister like teachers, Kollani Di, Pinky Di I keep on meeting because she comes to my school at Guru Nanak. During Guru Nanak birthday she will definitely come. So I always meet, she will hold my hand like a brother, she will keep on roaming around the school. And I have a very good relation with our Mahoni ma'am. I keep on interacting with her, sometimes fight also, even now also, regarding matters of education only. ठीक है? So this way life is going on. I think for a teacher, this is the best achievement sure all my colleagues who are sitting here, I have seen now Mr. Sir. I was thinking in my mind, Mr. Sir तो पहले से भी गोरा हो गया. हाँ, फिर सोचा मिस्टर सर का इतना बड़ा पेट था कहाँ गया? एक साल रविंद्र सर, इसका कोई चेंज नहीं है, सही में. जो 40 साल पहले था आज भी ऐसे ही है. हाँ? Alright. So thank you teachers, and I would like to also say, like I told you that I have taught you all mathematics, I suppose. Last benchers were there, Naveen and all. ठीक है, हाँ. हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ करता था बदमाशी. एक बार वो कहा है श्याम कुमार कनौजिया, ये क्या क्या हाथ टूट के आ गया, आप क्या एग्जाम नहीं देगा. तो मैम बोला शुभ्रांशु यदि का और डिटेक्ट करके क्यों जाएगा. इससे बड़ा पनिशमेंट और क्या हो सकता है. मैथ एग्जाम देने में वो देगा, पेपर है मेरा ही पेपर है, आप और डिटेक्ट करने में लिख रहा हूँ. फिर एक वो बोलेगा वही लिखेंगे, थोड़ा देर में पूरे साल लिख दीजिए ना. ऐसा बहुत सारा इंसिडेंट है. मेरे पास एक्चुअली तुम लोगों ने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किया, मेरे पास इतना सारा फोटोग्राफ्स है पिकनिक का, रविंद्र भवन, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लाइब्रेरी, सारे अपुरादायन ग्रुप, नीतू, ऑल ऑफ देम वेयर आर देयर. And one was Sony was there now. They used to meet in Riya Bhai. Anamika, हाँ. See, I remember everybody. So thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you all. All who achieve more success in life. And really, I'm telling you, we teachers also not lagging behind. Wherever we are today, each one of us leading a very prestigious life, and all of you are also leading. That is only God's blessing. I think so. We should be thankful to God. And last but not the least, I would like to request all of you get connected with each one of us through Facebook and other things, because I am connected to few people like Kollani ma'am, Kollan Shritya, Ritu Raj. But I request each one of you get connected, then we can remain in touch as long as we remain alive on this earth. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It was so inspiring. Thank you so much, sir.
About Raj, I would like to say, now also his habit is there, little bit shy. He used to always remain a shy type, but grown up.
You said shape change, huh? Everybody's shape has changed, for sure. I would now like to request Sudipta ma'am to kindly come up on stage, and also request Shivli Rani De, Shiv Shankar and Shyam Kanojia also to come on stage, please. Shivli Rani De, Shiv Shankar and Shyam Kanojia. Shivli. Ma'am, please say a few words.
A very good evening to all of you. It's really a very proud moment standing here today. Really, it came as a big surprise the other day when Partha and Mahashita came to my place to invite me to this get-together. The first thing which I told them was that whatever you have thought is really unique. Because I keep hearing about get-togethers of different batches of not only South Point, even ours to St. Stephen's, but they only enjoy amongst themselves. They book hotels, they party amongst themselves. Always, it's only them. So you are the first batch who have thought to include the teachers also in this get-together. So you deserve a big round of applause from all of us and also by yourself. You also should applaud yourself. So what should I say? Actually, I must say that Mrs. Chanda, who is no more, I have great respect for her. She was the person who actually it was like a turning point in my life when I joined South Point. I still remember the day I had actually gone for my son's admission. And she told me, I heard, and already Indrani was teaching there. Already 1 year, for 1 year she was already there. So, and she also came to know from her that I had taught in St. Mary's also, and I am a pass out from St. Mary's. So without an interview, without nothing, she told me, you come and join. You have to join. So after 10 years, I was totally out of touch of studies, books and all. So that was really, I was a bit scared also. What will I teach? I forgot everything. There is nothing, it's like just like my brain has become like a clean slate now. Nothing remains there. So how will I teach anything? But she was the one who really encouraged me. So my really big, what to say, my respect for Mrs. Chanda, wherever she is, I know she is blessing us all the time from wherever she is now. Not only me, all of us. So that's that, and now 1989 batch, most of you when I met today, I was really surprised and all of you came running together, and so I got so puzzled I couldn't recognize anyone. So slowly when I started looking at you one by one, slowly I started recognizing. But still now also I cannot recognize some of the faces. So I have to come here, ask you the names. Some of course I kept meeting in between, so that's why I remember them. And what to say, I know that I had a little of bad reputation among the students about being very strict and all, no? Always. So, did you all hate me at that time? Because of, actually I tell you, even in St. Stephen's also, they are very scared of me. I don't know why. I don't know why they are scared of me. All are scared of me. Wherever I go, they say that they are very scared of me. But I don't remember hitting anyone. I don't remember slapping anyone. But still everybody is scared. So then actually I kept thinking, why the students say that they are so scared of me? And supposing even if I enter class 1 and even now in St. Stephen's, supposing they are making noise like anything, I just enter and I just look at them. Immediately there will be pin drop silence in the class. So sometimes I wonder why, what is there? So then one day I was just looking at myself in the mirror, then I realized there's nothing, my look, by birth and look which God has given me, there is some kind of seriousness in that, I think. Am I right? Am I right? Yes, so actually we are not like that. If you just, what to say, externally I'm like this, from outside I'm like this, but inside, have you seen a coconut? So actually you may not know, but actually I am like that. I am telling it myself to you all. So no need to feel scared, okay? No need to feel scared. You please, whenever you see me on the road, of course you all are very, very good. I must say, the students of those days, slowly big changes are coming among the students' attitude also. So that student-teacher relationship is not the one which we had, say, 20, 30 years back. So you all were really very good and still are so good, and you all remembered us. So really, I'm so very thankful to you. And what to say, may God bless you. May God bless you with health, happiness and success in whatever venture you take in your life. So once again, thank you for inviting me today. And I'm really feeling very sorry for Indrani. And when I go and tell her about all this, then I'm sure she'll also feel very bad. She wanted to come actually very badly. but actually she is having chronic cough problem. So she always keeps telling you, no, this problem which I have, it not only disturbs me, it disturbs others. So that is why I don't want to go. So that is why she didn't come. But I'm sure she would have liked very much. She wanted to come actually. Anyway, thank you once again.
Just a moment, ma'am. From all of our students and also teachers, one small request. Give us one song, please.
I'll tell you, nowadays, I teach, I don't sing. I'm no longer a performer, but just because you have requested, I think I'll sing one song, but of course, I'll sing a Bengali song, I'll sing a Tagore's song, which is very relevant in this occasion. So it speaks about meeting after a long time. Okay, so I'll just, let me see if I remember the words. And if I don't remember, I think somebody can remind me also because this is a very common song. And if you know the song, you can sing along with me, those who know.